Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a challenge where apparently the new pump shotgun, well, shall I say new, like a scope pump shotgun's in the game, so let's try and win a game with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, like and subscribe this video. Yeah, let's get right into it. This map is just crazy, you know. That was developed for all the seasons. Anyway, for this challenge, obviously I kind of explained it in the intro, it's a new scoped pump shotgun. To be fair, I've had a few goes with this. It is dire. Yeah, we're just going to try and get a game with it. We're allowed, obviously, the gun and heals, stuff like that. As long as you get all the kills with the pump shotgun, then, yeah. Decent. Oh, off the bat, blue one. Never seen one of these before. New variant, so hopefully it does me proud. As you can see as well, Chug Splash is back in the game. He brought a lot of stuff back within the game, so that's pretty decent. See how much damage this does. On 33. God, it takes a while, doesn't it?
Is that a shark? Just jumped over the blooming structures.
Hey, 66. Oh my god, this gun is utter trash. Doesn't even deal a lot of damage. You need to wait so long. My health isn't looking good, to be honest.
No shit, Sherlock.
Gun. I swear this gun's in trash. Finally. Oh my god. I found a golden rapid fire SMG. I'll use that for my next challenge then. See if I can actually like rotate around the side to the right here, depending, because I don't actually know where anyone is. I haven't got many kills, but I could do this. No way. What the hell? That's blooming miles away. Look how far this blooming grappler goes. Oh my god. 71. First gun, I swear. No way. It's just a nightmare. Guns are so trash. The thing with this gun, it just takes ages to shoot, and when it does, you hit him, and it doesn't do much damage. It's just really hard.
Mate, you're not going through there.
Let's go. Challenge complete. Winning with a new pump shotgun scoped.
In Season 3.
Let's go. Didn't get many kills,
I got the content out there, so...
but yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a bit of a quick one, but yeah.
And remember, only 69% of you are not subscribed, so please smash that subscribe button. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and peace out.